What do you want to say to the people? You know, one thing that's I would say is a definite downside of having a truck camper. Ah!
Ice climbers are.
You wonder where all the ice layers came from?
No, all the ice climbers are. They can start climbing.
Right? Hey, ice climbers. Any of you out here? Come on. Look at all this. Great ice climbing. Well, good day to you. It is another lovely day here in Montana. And hi Zetas. We are making our way down. And we are making our way over to one of my favorite areas because it is officially time. I think we've finally gotten enough snow and it looks beautiful out there right now. So yeah, we are gonna go and get my first day of snowmobiling in. Currently, wow, I guess we're at 7,000 feet right now, which explains why there's always a lot of snow right here. Ooh, here it comes. Looks like we're about to hit some snow. I can see it right off in the distance and it's starting to flurry just a little bit. This is so exciting. Oh, I can't wait for this. It's supposed to snow like every day for the next 4 days too, so it's gonna be good, I hope. Oh look, the sun. Probably not gonna see a whole lot of that for the next 4 days or so. You know, the road conditions have not been that bad. This particular stretch of road gets pretty dang gnarly in the wintertime. And I hopefully, fingers crossed, next week, I'm gonna be doing something about my sketchy hockey puck tires. Hey. Slow down. Brother. Whoever you are, very disappointed that you didn't wave. Don't you know that when you buy a Northern Light or a Bigfoot camper, you become part of the brotherhood? I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Oh my stars. Oh. Oh. Would you just look at that? That's where we're going, folks. Exciting. So exciting. Unfortunately, it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow, but that's okay. I can have patience. You know what? Since we're on this packed snow and icy road, let's do a little bit of a test so that I can come back to this after I hopefully get my tires fixed. All right, let's get up to, let's say 30, 40 miles an hour. Okay. And brake. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, looks like we're getting close to our camp spot here, so. Oh, look at the turning radius this thing has. Oh, okay, that was a lot rougher than I thought it would be. Man, it feels good to be back out in the woods again. Even though I'm at a trailhead, still is nice. Ah, that sweet sound of two-stroke. Can't wait. You having fun? Is you having fun, doggos? Oh my stars, look at this. We got a whole parking lot to ourselves. Oh, and she's gone. All right. Well, it's getting pretty close to evening, so let's get nestled into the camper and prep for tomorrow. Zeda, come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go into the cabin here. Let's go into our little mobile cabin. Coming up. You know, one thing that's, I would say is a definite downside of having a truck camper versus like a travel trailer is there's not a lot of space for snowmobile gear in here. Yeah. Well, boy, howdy, do I have a sweet treat for tonight. Well, dinner, that is. Nothing fancy, honestly. I'm going to have some wow bow. Some pork bao buns. Because I'm going to be a little bit busy for the rest of the night here. Because I want to do a live stream. And I want to say hi to some of you folks. It is, by the way, the 1st of January, so Happy New Year to everybody. And yeah, let's hope that this year is even better than the last. I will say, from my perspective at least, the bar has been set pretty dang low. So I have a good feeling it's going to be a better year this year. I don't know if any of y'all out there, I'm sure there's more than a few of you who also suffer from the same affliction of letting your palate kind of control your life a little bit too much. And that's just going to make snowmobiling that much more difficult. Because you might not know this, but when it comes to riding snowmobiles in the mountains, technical riding, it is quite physically demanding. So yeah, trying to do my best to shave off the weight a little bit because sledding season starts tomorrow. That's not good. I've already gained 30 pounds since the RBR, as you could probably tell. Things are a lot tighter than they used to be. And I'm kind of embarrassed, honestly. There's a level of shame that I have right now that I think is pretty justifiable, honestly. I should be taking care of myself better than I am. We're going to get those things steamed up, and in the meantime, let's go outside before it gets too dark and see what's going on out there. Zeda, do you want to go outside? Yeah? Hey! We got some snow coming down. Gosh, it's just so nice out right now. Meow. Looks like we got ourselves the last of the snowmobilers here in the trailhead. I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are. Yeehaw! I'm gonna leave those folks alone and get back into the camper because I think those bao buns are just about done now, so I'm looking forward to it. Ugh. The camper's kind of a disaster right now. You know, in hindsight, I probably should have brought my dehumidifier on this trip, especially if I'm going to be steaming stuff. Ah! Ah! Now that my whole camper is up to 200% humidity. Hopefully these things are done. They look done. Ooh. Bao bun. Do any of y'all like bao buns? They're one of my favorite quick things to cook up. All right. I'm going to plow through these things. And then I guess we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, Zedas. Oh, good morning. Oh. Well, good morning. Getting ready for the day. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to first day out. I had a great night's sleep last night. It was actually one of the better night's sleeps I've had in a very long time. So today I'm feeling energized and ready to go. I'm going to eat this. And then it's time to suit up. Here he comes. Here comes Mr. Tom. Free snowmobile delivery service. Look at him. Oh, he's even got a matching trailer. How cute. Tom, what do you want to say to the people? All right. Back on the old trusty steed again. This is a lot of beard. A lot of beard to have in this helmet.
Ooh, that looks sketchy.
Yeah. Dang it, I might have to shave it. Bye-bye, truck. Be good. I know, it's like you go 5 feet and then you can't see a dang thing. I gotta wipe off my lenses. So I'm starting to see a massive downside of having facial hair when snowmobiling. I was asking Tom if he would braid my beard for me.
That's where I draw the line. I'm all the phobes.
You're all the phobias.
All the phobes.
Well, it's beautiful out here today. Wish there was some visibility. The snow's not terrible. It's kind of like a late spring day. Be a lot more fun if we could actually see. That's tricky. This gully is a little tight to be in right now. I'd rather not be in here. I don't know why you thought it'd be a good idea to go down that way.
I like adventure.
Dumb ways to die. There's some broken plastic. The snow is not the most forgiving when you try to turn. What do you mean you know how you're going to be able to get up here? You can easily get up here. It's not that steep. Well, I broke an intake vent. But hopefully that's it. You know what really stinks is I actually have an extra, but it's back at my house. And those freaking vents are ridiculously overpriced. They're $100 for a set of them, and they're just cheap pieces of plastic. Oh well. See, it's not that steep.
Yeah.
Dusting off the rust, Tom.
It looks bad
Did it?
from down there. It looked like you straight went into that tree.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of did the whole target fixation thing a little bit.
Don't look at it.
I know. Oops.
Oh,
Don't you go dying on me now.
God damn it. I thought about going up further, but I was like, there's no point.
Dude, I'm gonna have to censor this video so much. You've got such a bad sailor's tongue.
Yeah, I do.
Gosh.
Well, that's what I was gonna say. Like, it looks like you just skidded on the ice, like the crust.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, let's not ride this area.
Down there's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. You remember the other day, I don't know, I think it was during my live stream where I said Tom has a tendency to get me in trouble with this kind of riding. This one's on me. I squirreled out this time. But yeah, it's kind of steep, as you can see, and I've got a tree right there that should move, hopefully. And then, in theory, maintain a side hill. At least until right after these trees, and then I might be able to cut down. I'll have to look and see. But the problem is there's a nasty crust layer here, so I have no traction. It's one of the reasons why I crashed. The other reason is I just had too much dust or too much rust on my snowmobiling legs. Alright, well that's too steep to want to go down. So I'm just going to keep going this way. Maybe cut down through there. We'll see. There we go. Easy peasy. Stay, please. Not going to do much for keeping snow out of the intake. Well, we're going to make our way out now.
Yeah.
And it looks like we might have to use echolocation for most of it. It's kind of foggy out here. All right.
Ice climbers are.
You wonder where all the ice layers came from?
No, all the ice climbers are. They can start climbing.
Right? Hey, ice climbers. Any of you out here? Come on. Look at all this. Great ice climbing. Alright, well, you know the one thing that's better than having all the toys? It's having friends that have all the toys. Check this out. Little Zedas. Zedas. What are you doing? How cool is this? It's got all the necessities of a little man cave here. Got a nice bathroom that you can actually sit down in proper. Little Zedas. Oh yeah. Tom, we are moving up. All right. Normally, when we're riding in the wintertime, we're either outside or I'll bring my trailer. And I don't have any heat in it yet. There's been a couple times where we bring one of those job site heaters, but carbon monoxide is a slight issue with that. So this summer, Tom ended up buying this, and yeah, this is its first official winter outing. And it is so nice and toasty and cozy in here. Won't have to worry about having wet clothes in the morning. It's got these little boot dryers here that have integrated heaters. Hot air blows right through that. So for your gloves and your boots. And it's got a subwoofer. This is the woofer right here for the beats. Rock out to some Whitney Houston later on tonight. Oh, I guess it started all of a sudden. Anyway, I better end this before the copyright music ruins the rest of the video. I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna head to dinner. So I'll see you in a little bit. Well, good morning. Woke up this morning and it turns out that it has basically been raining all night and into today too. So unfortunately, I think that means that no more snowmobiling, because I don't feel like riding on hard packed snow all day. Plus, I'm a little bit on the sore side, you know, it being the first day out and everything. So, I guess we're not going to go out today. But, on a positive note, Tom's making some breakfast over in his trailer. So, let's make our way over there and see what he's got cooking. We had some hot tenter neighbors move in yesterday. Over there. Oh, I almost ate Scheisse.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, look at that. Nice and smoky in here. I'm gonna smell like bacon for the rest of the season. What do we do when we can't snowmobile or don't want to snowmobile because the snow conditions are too crappy? We watch snowmobiling videos. Well, I think I'm gonna plow through some breakfast and get back to you in a little bit here. Well, I hate to say it, but I think this is the end of the video. So, yeah, hopefully you had fun. If I deserve it, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if not, well, sorry. I guess we'll see you on the next one. Slow down!